A very good morning to all of you dear students. I hope you all are fine. So as you know that now last class is here, and in the last class we started the exercise 10.4 and that completed also. So now we are going to begin our next exercise 10.5. The next exercise is exercise 10.5. So the exercise 10.5 is based on these three properties I written on the board. Exercise 10.5 is based on these three properties. The first property is like this: the angle at in the same segment are equal to each other. अगर ये जैसे को this is a pod and this is one segment and this is second segment, so the angle in same segment में जो भी angles है all angles are equal to each other. अगर और भी कोई होगा then this all angles are equal to each other. This is our first property. The second property is the angle in the semicircle is always 90 degree. The angle in semicircle अगर ये segment नहीं होगी, ये center से पास हो जाए, if this is diameter then this is known as semicircle, and the angle in semicircle is always 90 degree. This is also the second property. And the last important property is like this: the angle at the center of circle is 2 times at the circumference. मतलब center पे जो angle होगा, this is the center of circle and the angle at the center of circle is double 2 times होगा at the angle of circumference. चाहे यहाँ पे हो चाहे और भी कहीं नेक्स्ट जो यहाँ पे, this angle and this angle is double of each other. Okay, the angle at the center of circle is double at the circumference, and the angle in semicircle is always 90 degree. The angles are in same segment are always equal to each other. Same segment में जो angle है वो क्या होगा? Equal to each other होगा. Angle in semicircle always 90 होगा, and angle at center of circle is double at the circumference. So based on these three properties, our exercise 10.5 is there. So the first question of the exercise 10.5 will be like this: in the given figure, ABC are the points of the circle. BOC is equal to 30 degree, angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Find angle ABC. It means ये angle दिया हुआ है BOC 30 and this is given 60 and we have to find out this one. So first of all, as you know that angle AOC कितना आ जाएगा? angle 60 plus 30 is 90. So as you know that the angle at center is 2 times of the circumference. So ये angle AOC जो है डबल होता है ADC का. So AOC is double of angle ADC. AOC is given already 90 and 2 into ADC. So 2 will be multiplied, so 2 will be division 90 upon 2. The answer is 45. So based on these three property, all questions are there. So just take the screenshot. After that we will start the remaining one. Okay, so the next question number second will be like this: a chord of a circle is equal to the radius. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of circle. Find the angle subtended by the chord at the point of minor arc and also at the point of major arc. मतलब उस chord से minor arc पे जो angle बन रहा है, that also we have to find, and on the major arc also we have to find. So given thing will be like this: this is a circle and this is a chord. AB is a chord of circle. AB is chord. AB is a chord of circle. AB is chord. As you know that AB is chord, and the given thing is AB chord is equal to the radius. Chord is equal to the radius. So it means OA is equal to OB is equal to AB. All sides are equal. Then triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. Triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. Then what is the angle in triangle AOB? 60 degree because it is an equilateral triangle. Now you know that this arc is known as minor arc. इसको कहेंगे छोटी वाली arc को कहेंगे minor arc, and this arc is known as major arc. So the question is saying that find the angle at the major arc and the minor arc. So first of all we need to find out the angle at the major arc. So as you know that this is the major arc and this angle is given 60 and we need to find out this angle. So both face will be same side. इसका face और इसका face दोनों का face क्या है? Same side में नीचे की तरफ है. So as you know that the angle at the center is 2 times at the angle of circumference. So angle at center is 2 times at angle of circumference. ये angle क्या होगा? इसका 2 times हो जाएगा. So angle AOB is equal to 2 times angle ADB. Angle AOB is given 60. So angle ADB is equal to 60 upon 30. This is the angle at the major arc. ये आ गया major arc. Now we need to find at the minor arc. So for the minor arc, first of all we know that this angle is 60 degree. So इसका opposite angle AOB is given 60. So what is angle BOA? This whole angle is complete angle. Whole angle is complete angle of this 60 degree. So when we will minus the angle BOA is equals to 360 minus 60, then the angle BOA is equals to 300. अब देखो इसका मुंह भी ऊपर की तरफ है and this is face also upside, तो ये दोनों ये इसका हाफ हो जाएगा 300 और ये कितना हो जाएगा 150. So angle BOA is equals to 2 angle ACB, then angle ACB equals to 300 upon 2, answer is 150. Okay. In this question also, this is a circle and PR is the chord, O is the center of circle, O is the center of circle, and the given thing is PQR is equals to 100 degree, and we have to find the angle OPR. We need to find the angle OPR. So first of all, the given thing PQR is equals to 100 degree, and as you know that the angle at the center is double at the circumference. तो देखो इसका फेस कहाँ पे है, नीचे की तरफ है, तो ऐसा कैसा फेस वाला लिखेगा. So angle ये 100 में ये कितना हो जाएगा 200 डबल होता है. The angle at circumference is at the center is double of the circumference. So angle POR is equals to 2 into PQR 2 into 100. तो अब इसका ऊपर वाला ये पूरा वापस वहां पे जैसे किया था वैसे वैसे एज यू नो दैट कंप्लीट रिवोल्यूशन में कितना एंगल बनता है 360. So angle POR is 200 and then ROP is equals to 360 minus 200. The answer is 160. Now we are having the angle ROP already we are having this angle 160. So as you know that OP and OR both are radius, both sides is equal. So those sides equal, it means this angle and this angle is equal by isosceles triangle property. So angle OPR, this angle both angles are equal. और मैंने इनको मान लिया x, let कर लिया x, कर लिया इनको x. So now you know that angle triangle POR angle sum property यूज कर रहे हैं, angle sum property ASP. So x plus इसको x मान लिया, इसको भी क्या मान लिया x plus 160 equals to 180, 2x is equals to 180 minus 160, 2x is equals to 20, the x is equals to 10. So x means angle OPR, so this is our angle OPR. And I hope you understood this both of the question very well. So just take the screenshot and write in your home. Okay students, so the next question number 4 will be like this. In the figure, angle ABC is given 69, angle ACB is given 31, find angle BDC. We have to find out angle BDC. Diagram is given BD and C, we have to find out. So first of all, as you know that this whole angle is given 69 and this angle is given 31. Okay, so with the angle triangle ABC, two angles is given, the third angle we can find with the help of angle sum property. So as you know that angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180. So I wrote here complete length and then complete नाम लिखे. Angle ABC is given 69, 31 and BAC we need to find out. So 69 plus 31 is 100. So angle BAC equals to 180 minus 100. The answer is 80 degree is our answer. So now as you know this angle is 80 degree, angle आ गया 80 degree. So for the first property, पहली ही property मैंने आपको बताया था, the angles are in same segment are equal to each other. The angles are in same segment is equal to each other. So this angle is 80 and then this is also 80. The angles are in same segment are equal. So angle BDC is equal to कितना आ जाएगा 80 degree. Same thing here also, a diagram is given and this angle is given 130 and this is given 20. So first of all, as you know that in this diagram I saw a one linear pair. So this is our linear pair. As you know that this is the linear pair. Okay, so angle what is the name of this angle? BEC. So angle BEC plus angle 1, I will let here angle 1 is equal to 180. Linear pair. BEC is given 130, so 130 plus angle 1 is equal to 180. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 150 degrees angle 1. So now we know that this point is marked P. So in triangle PDC, if we use the angle sum property, angle 1 plus angle B plus 20 is equals to 180. So angle 1 as you know that 50 is there, 50 plus 20 is 70. So angle D equals to 180 minus 70 then 110. So because why we do like this angle we get 110 and this is also 110. Angle in same segment are equal to each other. इसलिए क्या करा पहले linear pair की हेल्प से इसको फाइंड कर लिया, then angle sum property से ये आ गया, then this angle is equal to this angle. Angle in same segment are equal to each other. So I hope you understood this both of the questions based on this three property only. So just take the screenshot fast. Okay, students. So the next question number 6th. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means ऐसा quadrilateral जिसके vertex जो है सर्कल की बाउंड्री पर हो. A quadrilateral whose vertex are on the boundary of circle. A quadrilateral whose vertex are on the boundary of circle. बाउंड्री अगर सर्कल की बाउंड्री पर किसी क्वाड्रिलेटरल का वर्टेक्स है देन इज नोन एज साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल. क्या कहते हैं उसको? साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल. सो एबीसीडी इज अ साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल हुज डायगोनल इंटरसेक्ट एट पॉइंट ई. उसके डायगोनल ई पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं. एंगल DBC इज गिवन 70, एंगल BAC इज गिवन 30. फाइंड एंगल BCD. वी हैव टू फाइंड एंगल BCD एंड इफ ए पहले ये करना है, इफ AB इक्वल्स टू BC है देन आल्सो फाइंड ECD भी फाइंड. So as you will first we will mark here angle DBC, angle DB and C. This angle is given how much? 70 degree. Second thing, BAC is given 30. BAC, this angle is given 30 degree. Okay. So as we know that when we will clean this line, एक मिनट के लिए अगर इस लाइन को मिटा दे, so angle in same segment. देखो ये दोनों angle same segment. This is one chord and this is one segment and this is second segment. So angle in same segment are equal to each other. तो ये angle भी कितना हो जाएगा? 30. Angle in same segment are equal to each other. Okay, I hope you understood. So first of all, as you know that the given thing like this angle A. So we will mention that angles in same segment are equal to each other. Okay, so angle D is equal to 30 degree as you know that. Or what if you want to write the full length DBC? So angle BDC, angle BDC is equal to angle this, and what is this? BAC is equal to 30 degree. Angle in same segment are equal to each other. Now again we have to join this line. So now we can find this angle with the help of angle sum property in triangle BCD. So in triangle BCD, angle sum property, so angle B plus angle D plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle sum property. Angle B is given 70, angle D is given 30, and angle C we have to find. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 100. Angle C is equal to 80, and name of angle C is BCD. So angle BCD is equal to 80 degree, and this is our first answer. The second thing is given AB is equal to AC. If AB is equal to BC, where is AB? If this is AB is equal to BC, then this is the isosceles triangle. This angle is also equal to 30 degree. So here we can mark 1. So we know that if AB equals to BC, if then angle 30 is equal to angle 1. 30 means angle BAC is equal to angle 1. Then angle 1 is equal to 30 degree by isosceles triangle. By isosceles triangle. तो ये पूरा आपको 70 मिल गया है. तो if 70 minus 30, then you will get angle ECD. So angle ECD is equal to angle क्या मिला आपको 80 मिल गया. सॉरी angle BCD minus angle 1. Then angle ECD equals to angle 80 minus 30. So angle EC and D is equals to 50 degree. This is our answer. So I hope you understood this sixth question very well. And if you face any difficulty, then you can ask. But this is question based on these three properties. Whatever I explained. First of all, the angle in same segment are equal to each other. Second thing, the angle in semicircle is always 90 degree. And the third thing, the angle at the center of circle is double at the circumference. On based on this property, these 6 questions are solved, and the remaining 6 we will solve in the next class. So I hope you understood. If you face any difficulty, then you can ask. Now just take the screenshot. Okay. So now today's class is over. Thanks.